Here we have the 2012 and 2013 Carrier Heat Performance Series heat pumps. This one's 2013 unit, this one's 2012 unit. The serial number for 2012 unit is 4212E10784. Model number is, let me get that out. The model number is 25HCC536A300. Here's a look at some of the other data on this one. And on this 2013 unit, I'm going to show you this stuff. The serial number is 0213E03950. Model number is 25HCC524A300. Here's a look at the rest of the data. Like I said, they're currently both running. You can see also down here on the front it says Carrier. And they replaced some 1994, 1991, well, it's the 1990s Amana unit. So yeah, the Amana unit is also a gas pack. So yeah, a 2012 and 2013, a pair of Carrier Performance Series, one from 2012 and one from 2013. They're both currently running. Over and out.